Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I'm excited to share with you guys a gem from my husband's wardrobe. It's this long sleeve linen casual tee. I think that this shirt is very versatile. You could wear it on vacation, like to a tropical island, but this is also a really good cosplay shirt. My husband calls this shirt the pirate shirt, and that's what we purchased it for. We were going to a theme park and we wanted to dress up. So my husband found this shirt to be super comfortable. He said because it was linen that it felt very breathable. It has a very relaxed fit, so it's a good t-shirt for casual outings. And it's been super durable. Every time I wash it, it just comes out looking exactly the same, and it retains its shape and the quality. So if you're looking for a versatile, stylish, comfortable linen t-shirt, this one has our vote, and that's my point of view.